Hello. So kanina, galing ako ng convention wherein one of our topic is AI in research, no? So there we tried to talk, or the speaker tried to talk about AI ethics also, kung saan he talked about uh, the different aspects of ethics. Most especially, nakafocus lang naman yan sa values, no, kung paano natin gagamitin. And para sa akin, dapat talaga mag-publish na ang academe kasi it all boils down kung paano standards ng bawat academe. So it's academe focused, no? Kung bawat academe may sariling standards, uh, yun ang susundin natin. But he suggested the use, no? Kung paano gagamitin kasi he is trained sa NUS at saka sa UPD. Second is, he warned us na dapat daw may knowledge tayo or dapat may kumbaga preconceived knowledge tayo na pag mag-upload tayo ng something sa AI, dapat meron tayong kumbaga warning sa sarili natin na ito ay maa-upload din somewhere else. Para ka nag-upload sa website na hindi mo alam kung saan mapupunta. Because the storage of AI, ano kasi, AI use tokens eh. So, yung storage of AI is parang it will be stored in somewhere else, no? So, hindi mo alam kung saan may i-store yung data. For example, yung facial recognition ng AI, yung face mo, it can be stored somewhere else na hindi mo alam. So, it's a cybersecurity threat. It can be. And it can both be beneficial pa din. Pero, yun nga, there is that, no? And of course, the third is, it can be helpful, but, of course, let us remain or retain the control, the human control in using AI. Kasi nandun yung ating cognition. Dapat hindi yung use ni AI is just assistive. Hindi siya para mawala na yung human cognition. Hindi siya para ganon. So it's just assistive. So yun yung 3 main points na natutunan ko for that session. So I hope you also learned and I hope you also use AI to your advantage but not abuse it. Okay? Maraming salamat. That is 3 minutes already.